Hi friends, welcome back to Fun with Phonics. Today we are learning about the letter E, and E is quite a little trickster. Sometimes E is loud, sometimes E is soft, and sometimes E barely makes a sound at all. Let's look at them all. First, we have the short E sound. This sound you hear in short CVC words like bed, red, and the short E usually sits between two consonants and it keeps its sound short and clear. Then we have the long E sound. This time, E stretches and says its own name. You will hear this sound when E is at the end of a word like we or me. Or you'll hear it when E has help from another letter like the word these. Now, here's the sneaky part. Sometimes E gets tired and whispers, and we'll find that in words like chicken and open. This sleepy sound is called the schwa, and it likes to hide in long words. We practice spotting the schwa sounds in our book club. Let's put all our E sounds in a silly sentence. The hen said she will sleep under the tractor. The short E sound we find in the word hen. The long E sound we find in the word she. Then the schwa sound we find in the word under. If you want to learn the secret rules for E, join our online book club where we read together, we play games, and we unlock letter secrets. You can check us out on our website at susandavis.academy or ask mommy to send us an email to contact@susandavis.academy. See you in the next Fun with Phonics video. Bye bye.